Hi, I'm Pablo Rodriguez, Director of Artistry for ILLAMASQUA. This is a great selection of shades and texture for lips and cheeks, all of which can be mixed and matched, but also incredible by themselves, concise but complete. Antimatter lipstick is an ILLAMASQUA cult favorite with its long-lasting, color-intense, semi-matte cushion finish. It glides onto lips smoothly and provides comfortable, continuous wear. Glamour lipstick has a satin finish and rich color payoff, ideal for a more hydrated looking finish. For me, color on the cheeks is the finishing touch to any look, no matter how bold or minimal you choose to go. These blushers are super soft and buildable, and can be used to shade, brighten, enhance, and define the shape of the face. I love that Gel Sculpt is included, makeup artist's best secret weapon for invisible contouring. The silhouette shade creates a delicate shadow under cheekbones and along the jawline, which can be blended easily. Beyond Powder in Epic is a highlighting powder that adds warmth to the skin for a natural radiant glow. You can achieve an all-over illuminating finish or simply highlight certain points. Super easy to apply, it creates a healthy, flawless skin finish. It can be used wet or dry, on eyes, face or body.